Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in my tutorial makeup today, I want to make my chocolate makeup look. Still in English version because I want to make my English to be better. So I hope you're watching this video till the end and you'll like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and happy watching, and I love you all. Okay guys, before I start my tutorial makeup today, I want to tell you about my story first. I'm from Indonesia and I am Japanese. I'm 36 years old. Yes, I'm old. And I'm new in YouTube world, so subscribe my channel please. And why I use my English version in this video? Because I want my English to be better. Better to hear, better to say, and better to everything. I hope you don't mind with my bad English, and I hope you like this video and watching this video till the end. So I want to tell you about my hair. Yes, I'm curling my hair today before I record this video. And I draw my eyebrow too before I record this video. So I hope you like my story, little bit more about my story, and I hope you like my English too. And let's start the tutorial makeup. Okay, let's start with the eye. And I always use my foundation for base makeup for my eye. Okay, like this. And now I will start with my eyeshadow with chocolate eyeshadow. I put here. And I want to use my silver eyeshadow from here to here, like this. And I use my chocolate eyeshadow but not primer from here to here. And like always, I use my highlighter for my eye and below my eyebrow. Okay, I use my eyeliner pencil for draw here to here. I'm not use my eyeshadow, black eyeshadow. I want to do with my eyeliner pencil. just like this, so easy, right? I will draw this to blend it. And put my chocolate eyeshadow again in my eye. And then I use my foundation for fix the eyeshadow in here, like this. And blend it out again. And I will use my eyeliner. this is my tutorial chocolate makeup look, and I hope you like this video, and I hope you enjoy this video and watching this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and comment in below this video. Okay, see you in my next video, and assalamualaikum.